Now all the electrical parts have been installed, it's time to connect everything up to the circuit board. Each wire is colour coded and has a corresponding colour name label printed on the side of the circuit to indicate where it needs to go. We're going to work anti-clockwise around the circuit, so we'll start with the two green wires of the begin and cease switch. Carefully push these into the two holes marked switch in green. It doesn't matter which way round they go. Now for the battery pack connectors, red and black wires. These must be connected the right way round. These push in next to the green switch wires and are marked battery in red and black. Now for the two blue wires that come from the clock movement hour trigger. It doesn't matter which way round these are connected. They push into the two holes marked clock hour in blue. Note these holes are spaced apart slightly. Now for the blue wire that comes out of the copper fitting. It goes into the hole near the corner marked flame in blue. We'll next connect the red and black clock movement power supply wires. These must be connected the right way round. They push into the holes on the end of the circuit marked clock supply in red and black. Next is the yellow wire that comes from the copper fitting. It pushes into the hole marked flame in yellow. Finally, we'll connect the red and black air pump wires that come from the copper fitting. These need to be connected the right way round. They push into the holes marked air pump in red and black. Before we go on to test your circuit, double check the wires and components are positioned correctly. It's easy to make a mistake and far better to correct it before potentially damaging the circuit.